So this is my student ID number, and today I'll be talking about reduction of plastic in service supply chain. I'll start off by telling you what supply chain basically is. It refers to the activities that take place in regards to procuring the material to finally delivering the finished product to the consumer. A supply chain is a system between an organization and its providers to deliver an appropriate specific time, and the supply chain illustrates the means it takes to get the item or service to the client. Now I'm going to tell you about how the supply chain works. It basically involves managing delivery time, time delivery to customers, efficiently managing finances, and proper quality and quantity checks are a chief part of supply chain management. The development or work stream of the product assumes the crucial job in structuring supply chain management display. Development of the time should be overseen well to make progress in any business of an item starting with one unit then on to the next. Suitable quality check at each point and effective conveyance or communication are the key parts to totally fulfill clients' needs. A proficient store network procedure requires providers that are dependable and have a considerable repute. A vendor-wise analysis is conducted to ensure that the most effective, efficient, and resourceful suppliers are used. These elements are considered important since they are the integral part of supply chain function, and this does in return create value. The supplier should have enough capacity to deliver raw material so that the client can meet his or her desired demands. Now we come to the next part, in which I'll tell you about flow of manufacturing costs. This relates to all the material and labor costs deemed necessary to convert raw material into finished goods. There are various other costs situated with supply chain, such as material acquisition cost, conversion cost, marketing and sales, inward and outward logistics. Then we come to the next part, which is front line of supply chain today. Each inventory network supervisor was asked to go on the web and cautiously examine the idea of shopper marketing. The suggestions for store network are critical. One truth of the present condition emerges: adjusting retailer areas is getting exceptionally progressively unpredictable because of more redone programs being planned inside community oriented seller and retailer organizations. There are particularly new frameworks and addition of IT related platforms and applications have revolutionized the entire sector. This in fact has created ease, given rise to a time efficient and responsive network. However, individuals using traditional methods show resistance and are reluctant towards change. Ultimates such as individuals would be left behind. One needs to adapt with changes in circumstances. Then we come to the green supply chain management. In that capacity, green supply chain management is imperative in affecting the aggregate condition effect of any associations engaged with store network exercises. All the more essentially, it can add to maintainability, execute and upgrade. In this presentation, we center around the ecological coordinate effect, which has been viewed as a key social ability to encourage the green supply chain management, vital detailing and execution. Now we come to the benefits of it. There are several benefits of green supply chain management. First of all, it provides customer loyalty and increase in revenue. Concerning human health, it helps decrease CO2 and CO emission, less use of fossil fuel and more use of non-fossil fuel like electric cars help decrease air pollution. Secondly, as fossil fuels damage the environment, marine damages sea life, aviation impacts air quality because of diesel. On land, by use of different modes of transport, the collection of this usage impacts on the air, agricultural life, and human health. Green supply chain management helps reduce that. Regarding business, transporting goods on trucks cost a lot of money in diesel. However, it is an efficient and safe way of goods reaching its destination. Also, less energy is used, means more sustainable resources left. Now we come to the conclusion. In conclusion, failure of creating awareness among consumers regarding plastic littering along with the problem incurred with recycling plastic is considered to leave a negative impacts on land and marine life. However, the business should implement strategic and system changes to eliminate the growing carbon pollution and product wastage. The government role is also vital in reducing plastic in service supply chain, either by supporting media campaigns which aims to spread awareness of change impacts, or they can bring lawsuit against companies violating already established benchmarks of creating pollution. Thank you.